Do you feel like you're drowning in your own inbox? What if I told you that you never have to search for an email ever again? Google just officially entered the Gemini 3 era, turning Gmail from a messy list of messages into your own proactive AI assistant. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I am revealing a new VIP feature that will finally help you reach inbox zero without lifting a finger. Here is everything you need to know about the massive AI upgrade rolling out right now. Forget keywords, just ask Gemini questions like what was my Gmail creation date? And it will find the answer for you instantly. Don't have time to read a thread with 50 replies? Gmail now synthesizes long conversations into a few concise bullet points. Whether you are starting from scratch or polishing a draft, AI now writes in your tone and style. No more one word answers. Gmail now drafts full contextual responses based on the conversation. A new pro level tool that fixes your grammar, tone, and professional style before you hit send. AI Inbox. This is the game changer. Gmail now automatically identifies your VIPs and urgent tasks like bills or appointments and moves them to the top while filtering out the noise. All this AI power happens within Google's secure cloud, meaning your data stays private and under your control. AI summaries and help me write are rolling out now at no cost. AI Pro and Ultra subscribers will get exclusive access to Ask Your Inbox and advanced proofreading. Started in January in the US English, with more languages and regions coming very soon. Which feature are you most excited to try? The AI search or the VIP inbox? See you in next video. Thanks.